I'll now invite Alina Zehra from Khairpur Medical College, Khairpur Miras, to present her research work on Bridging the Gap, a mobile health intervention to improve medication adherence in hypertensive patients in rural Sindh.
Good morning, esteemed faculty, respected seniors, and my fellow students. I am Alina Zehra, fourth year MBBS student at Khairpur Medical College. It's an honor to present my research at this prestigious Medical Undergraduate Research Conference 2025. My study is titled Bridging the Gap, a mobile health intervention to improve medication adherence in hypertensive patients in rural Sindh. Today, I will guide you through my research journey by covering background, objectives, methodology, results, conclusions, recommendations. We will then discuss limitations and future directions and then references. Hypertension is the leading cause of cardiovascular disease in Pakistan, contributing significantly to morbidity and mortality. One of the global targets for non-communicable diseases is to reduce the prevalence of hypertension by 33% between 2010 and 2030. However, medication non-adherence remains one of the most critical barriers to effective hypertension management, especially in rural communities. Here, the challenges such as limited access to healthcare facilities, low literacy, poor follow-up mechanism worsen adherence issue. Fortunately, mobile health interventions, particularly SMS reminders, are low cost, scalable, and feasible even in resource-constrained settings. Our primary objectives were to design and evaluate the effectiveness of a simple SMS-based mobile health intervention on medication adherence among hypertensive patients in rural setting in Khairpur district. To contribute evidence for integrating digital health tools into Pakistan's primary care system for chronic disease management. Another one is to compare adherence trend between intervention and control group over the 6-month trial period. We employed randomized control trial. Our sampling technique was non-probability convenience sampling with a study duration of 6 months. We conducted a study at Basic Health Unit, Khairpur Miras. We recruited 150 hypertensive patients and divided equally into an intervention group having 75 patients and a control group having 75 patients. The intervention group received daily SMS reminder and weekly educational messages, while the control group received standard care. Our inclusion criteria were patients who provide informed consent with no gender discrimination in participant selection. Our exclusion criteria were disabled patients and patients who were not able to give consent. The data collection involved obtaining approval from the head of BHU, and consent was taken from the patients in local language. Medication adherence was assessed by Morisky Medication Adherence Scale, MMAS8 scale, that is basically an 8-item questionnaire. Our outcome measures were MMAS8 score and blood pressure readings. The data was analyzed using SPSS software. Moving on to our results, the MMAS8 score showed a significant difference between the groups. The intervention group achieved a mean score of 7.2, indicating better adherence compared to the controls group's mean score of 5.1. The difference was statistically significant with a p-value of less than 0.01. This bar chart illustrates the blood pressure reduction outcomes with the intervention group results displayed in blue color and the control group results displayed in orange color. The blue bars corresponding to intervention group demonstrated more favorable outcomes. The mean systolic blood pressure reduction was minus 15 millimeter of mercury in the intervention group as compared to the control group's result, that is minus 7. The mean diastolic blood pressure reduction was minus 9 millimeter of mercury versus minus 4 millimeter of mercury in the control group. The difference was statistically significant with a p-value of less than 0.05. In conclusion, our study demonstrates that a simple SMS-based mobile health intervention significantly improves medication adherence and blood pressure control among hypertensive patients in low-resource rural setting. This study demonstrates a successful bedside application of a bench technology supporting the integration of digital health solution into primary care to manage chronic diseases effectively. Based on our study, we recommend SMS-based intervention should be scaled up across rural areas of Pakistan to enhance medication adherence. Integration of mobile health strategies into existing community health programs is essential to ensure sustainability and wider impact. Healthcare workers should be trained in the use of mobile health tools. Policy support is needed to formally include mobile health intervention in national hypertension control strategies. We acknowledge that our study was limited to a single district, Khairpur, which may limit the generalizability of the findings to other regions. The 6-month follow-up period was relatively short, making it difficult to assess the long-term sustainability of the intervention. Future research should include larger multi-center trial to validate the effectiveness of SMS-based intervention in diverse populations. Feasibility of scaling up such interventions nationwide. Here are the key references that support my study. Thank you for your attention. We sincerely thank our research supervisor, Dr. Farooq Banbro, for guiding us. Now I open up to any questions.
Assalamualaikum, Alina.
Walaikum salam.
In methodology, we did not find that who was responsible for sending text message, and was there any mechanism of receiving feedback or the response from the patient that message received and acknowledged? पहला सवाल. दूसरा सवाल ये था कि although idea was very innovative and intriguing, but still the discussion was missing. Did you find any reference from research elsewhere in the world from the same methodology?
Yeah. Talking about the first question, basically हमने जो SMS based intervention start की, तो हमने अपने साथ जो मेरे co-authors हैं especially, तो उस पे हमने like engineers, we included some engineers and they know the software about, and हमने एक system होता है जिसके थ्रू आप सारे कॉन्टैक्ट्स आपको आ जाते हैं कि रूरल एरियाज़ में आपके पास ये नंबर्स हैं और वो एक जस्ट बाय सिंगल क्लिक आपके पास वो मैसेज चला जाता है
ऑटो जनरेटेड.
ठीक है. एंड on another question, talking about another question.
Yes, my question is that are our rural areas are so much advanced that they can be treated with the mobile systems and all that Androids?
Sorry?
क्या हमारे रूरल एरियाज अब इतने एडवांस हो गए हैं कि हम उनको मोबाइल पर ट्रीट करें?
सर बेसिकली हमने मोबाइल हेल्थ इंटरवेंशन स्टार्ट इसलिए की क्योंकि मोबाइल इज़ अ बेसिक थिंग, चाहे वो नोकिया का हो या एंड्रॉयड हो या आईफोन हो. तो नोकिया आई थिंक रूरल सेटिंग में तो हर किसी के पास ही होता है. इट इज़ मैंडेटरी एंड बेसिक थिंग. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, या एक्चुअली जब मैंने ईमेल की तो मेरी डिस्कशन की स्लाइड मिस हो गई थी, दैट्स वाई इट्स नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन इट. और ये जो हमने बेसिकली स्केल यूज़ किया है ना, मॉरिस्की मेडिकेशन अडहेरेंस स्केल 8, बेसिकली इट इज़ एन 8 आइटम क्वेश्चन एयर. और ये मैंने रेफरेंस लिया था, हमारे पास एक कोरियन रिसर्च हुई हुई है ऑन सेम थिंग कोरिया में, और वो मैंने रेफरेंस में इंक्लूड किया है अपने, तो वहाँ से बेसिकली आई पिक दैट आइडिया.
एक रिकमेंडेशन आपको दूंगा बिकॉज आइडिया इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग. आप इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट के साथ कोलैबोरेट करके ना किसी ऐप के ऊपर काम करें जो सेम उसके अंदर मोडालिटीज़ और भी ज़्यादा इन्हेंस की जा सकती हैं, सो यू मे हैव इवन मोर सब्सटेंशियल रिजल्ट आफ्टर इंटरवेंशन. थैंक यू सो मच.
Inshallah, thank you for your encouragement.
Thank you very much, Alina Zehra, for such an innovative idea.